Hey there, it's Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today I'm going to take you through what a water treatment service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Clean, safe water is essential for your home. When it comes to water treatment, we're here to ensure your water is of the highest quality. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing your water quality. This can include issues like hard water, odors, discoloration, or unusual tastes. We arrive equipped with specialized tools to test your water and determine the best treatment solution. For example, if you have discolored water, we'll identify the source of the issue and recommend a tailored treatment plan. Safety is our top priority. Before we begin any water treatment work, we'll turn off the water supply. Based on your water quality and specific needs, we'll install the right water treatment system. This could include water softeners, filters, or chemical treatments. For hard water issues, we may install a water softener to remove minerals that cause scale buildup. After the installation, we'll turn the water supply back on and test the water to ensure it meets the desired quality standards. We'll also adjust and fine-tune the water treatment system to optimize its performance and efficiency. To ensure your water treatment system continues to provide clean water, consider regular maintenance and filter replacements as recommended. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your water treatment needs in the Phoenix metro area. Your health and the quality of your water are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service.